we can negotiate. How do we negotiate? Negotiation will go through with the current administration under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. It's entirely up to him to listen or not. We can come out in full protest and we can use that to demand our rights. No government outside will come and tell you all this. No president, prime minister will tell you this. Your politicians are all criminals and they are not ready for such. But we are saying to them, there is still room for dialogue. From the day we will not dialogue, which I don't know when that will be, it will be very, very difficult. Very, very difficult for them to call us back. Small kekere leri nigba NSAS. And don't mind when I look like this, I have cameras there, cameras there, cameras there. So my eyes goes on what I know,